Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. I used to be in the military. I did maintenance, heating and air conditioning, computer technician, networking technician. Done maintenance also. And I like to make videos to help people. If you are owning this type of vacuum cleaner or any vacuum cleaner of this sort, I'm going to help you not buy another vacuum and save yourself a lot of money. These vacuums are over $100 and something. I have this one specifically because I have a dog. With that being said, if your vacuum is spitting out dirt and trash that looks just like that, it is because something is clogged. All you have to do, one of the first things you do is you look on top of the bag and see if that green light, that green indicator, which is a suction, is working properly. Turn the vacuum on. This should be spinning around like a tornado. And this should stay green. I'm going to stop talking because it's about to get loud. Okay, also, if the brushes are not even turning, there's going to be a broken belt. All right, so if you had did that and it stayed red, that means you're not picking up anything. It's collecting in the hose somewhere. All right, so the few things that it can be. You take this button, you open it. There actually is a filter in here. You can buy Febreze filters if you don't like the smell, if your vacuum starts being funky. But anyway, you just lift that little tab up just like that. This piece goes to the filter. I've already cleaned it. I just took my hand and dusted in the back. I just kept slapping until most of the dust came off because you don't have to buy another one. You can clean it yourself. And there's also a foam one that these two go together, but there's a foam one. So if you replace it, you just get one Febreze or whatever, stick it in here just like that, place that over just like that, close the lid. There's also another one that's going to be actually in here, inside here, people don't know exist. So all you have to do is push that in, open this up. Take your hand right here and turn. You turn like that, it pops off. If this is clogged up, you're not going to suck in anything. These are just simple tips that can help people save money without buying another one. And to put it back in, you just push it in and you turn it this way. Close it back up. There also is another hidden part of this vacuum that it literally could be. And it was what happened to me. This hose right here is part of this canister. You take your hand, turn, pull off, look inside. If this is clogged up, that means that you're not going to get any suction either. And this is going to turn red as soon as you turn the vacuum on. So all you have to do is take this piece off like that. I took myself a broom handle and pushed it all the way through, and it got it nice and clean. Once you've done that, you just push this right back on like you normally would. Take this. I'm doing it one hand, so it's going to be a little bit hard for me. Hold on for 1 minute. I just pushed it in and I turned it till it locked. And if you've done it right, this will stay green. And that saves you $150. Those simple little steps. That there is a clog, because also the motor is actually sucking too. So if this gets clogged up, it cannot do the suction inside here. So those are the simple, easy ways. Requires no tools whatsoever, just a little bit of effort, about 5 minutes of effort, and you save yourself over $100 something for this particular one for pets. And the only difference is the other one that's a little bit more expensive in the same name brand is it has a cord that's automatic. And I didn't see the justification of an extra $30, $40 for that. I can just wind it up with my hand. But they're all the same. All these are the same. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you found any value to this video, hit that super thanks button and we turn around and we donate it and help other people that are in need. Thank you.